Blue screen of death. Yes, hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, July the 19th, 2024. Yeah, I started with the news. Computer problems, yes, worldwide, at airport, train station, banks. Everyone has troubles with the cybersecurity software CrowdStrike. Yeah, it's a Microsoft-based software, and having troubles with the update. So you will get the screen of death. Yeah, the blue screen of death. Anyway, enough about news. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. Alright, let me move to this way. Okay. The first one, the 3 star Sudoku, number 8926. 8926. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Well, we see another 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left with 4 should be there. Then let me see. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see our 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 in the second row, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 5, alright. Let me go back to the 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 1 in the column next, so that column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1. In the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then. Let me see. Which number can I pick? About the 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6. How about the 2 in this row? 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left. 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 8. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this row should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then, let me see. 3 and the 7. 2 numbers left now in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have 1 and 2 in the third column. So no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row. Only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the third column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. Alright. Then 1 and the 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next on that column. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, 7. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in the last column for the number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so in that row. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 in the third row, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright, and now 1 box left now in the first column for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in the row below, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Sorry for the interruption. Let me continue. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the bar. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. Alright. Then 6 and then 9, 8 and 4. 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. Then let me see. How about the number 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8, 9, and need a 6 here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and then 9 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9 then. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left the 7 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 13 minutes. Well. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Let me give this a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one here. So we'll do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.